Welcome to my channel Weight Lecture. Today we will discuss multiple choice questions on coding decoding. Okay. Question number first. In a certain code, December is written as ERMBCEDE. In that code, which word will be written as ERMBVENO? Option A, September. Option B, August. Option C, November. Or option C, October. The right answer is option C, that is November. Okay. If we see that December coding, then it will be code from that back side to the front sides, just like that ER and then MB and then CE and DE. We have given code is ER. So we kept that ER on the last part, that is ER, and then MB and then VE and then NO. So the word must be November. Okay. Question number second. If the word mental is written as LNDFMOSUZBKM, then how would the word test be written in that code? Option A, UVFGTUUV. Option B, RSCDQRRS. Option C, SUDFQRSU. Options D, SUDFRTSU. The right answer is option D, that is SUDFRTSU. Okay, let's see the code for mental. For that M, the code is used that a letter before M and one letter is after M, that is LN. Okay, similar pattern applied for this mental, like for E, that is uses D and F. For N, there is M and O. For T, there is a S and U. For A, there is a Z and B. For L, there is a K and M. So similarly, we use that same pattern for test also, that for T there is a S and U. For E there is a D and F. For S there is a R and T. For T there is a S and U. So the right answer is SUDFRTSU. Okay. Question number 3. In a certain code language, soulful is written as ORIIXLV and gather is written as OHEWXJ. How is tidal written in that code language? Option A, IDALQ. Option B, WFGXO. Option C, OXGFW. Options D, QLADI. The right answer is option that is C, OXGFW. Okay. If we see that soulful, then from that backside the coding is given, like for L, MN is gap, there is O, and for that U, there is a R, ST, there is -2, and then again +2, like F for GHI, and then again -2, like for L, there is a I, JK is gap. For U, there is a VW, +2, there is a X, and there's for O, there is -2, that is a MN. For S, there is a +2, that is TU. Okay, V. Similarly, for tidal, we applied the same pattern, +2, -2, +2, -2, +2. So the right answer, the code for tidal is OXGFW. Okay. Question number 4. If Mars is written as ZNEF, how can arms be written in that code? Option A, NEZF. Option B, FENZ. Option C, NFZE. Options D, MEZF. The right answer is option A, that is NEZF. Okay. MARS, Mars. The code for Mars is ZNEF. For that arms, ARMS. So that the code for M is Z. For A, that is N. For R, that is E. For S, that is F. So for ARMS, for A, that is N. For R, that is E. For M, that is Z. For S, that is F. So the arms code is that NEZF. Question number 5. If in a certain code, hydrogen is written as JCJZ YSSD, then how can antimony be written in that code? Option A, CPVKOQPA. Option B, CRZQWABO. Option C, ERXMQSRC. Options D, GTZOSUTE. The right answer is option that is B, that is CRZQWABO. Okay, let's see the code for hydrogen. If we see that H, there is a one I is gap, and then there's a J. Okay, if we see that Y, then ZAB, 3 is gapping, there's C +4. Same is applied like D, there is a +6, there is R, there is a +8. That even plusing number will be placed. Okay, like for H coding, that in +2 positions, a number is that code for that H. Same pattern applied, that +4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, similarly we applied for that antimony 2 +2. That is for A code, that is C. For N, that is R +4. For T, that is Z +6. For I, that is Q +8. Plus For M, that is +10, that is W. For O, that is +12, that is A. For N, that is +14, B. For Y, that is +16, that is O. So the right answer is CRZQWABO. Question number 6. If cat is written as CNANT, then God can be written as option A, GODN, option B, GNOND, option C, GOND, options D, NGOD. The right answer is option C, that is option B, that is GNOND. Okay, if we see that code for cat, that is C, there is N, A, and then N, and then T. Okay, for that God, we use same pattern like G, there is N, and then O, then N, and D. Okay, GNOND. Question number 7. In a certain code, monkey is written as XDJMNL. How is tiger is written as? Option A, QDFHS. Option B, SDFHS. Option C, SHFBQ. Options D, UJHFS. The right answer is option that is A, QDFHS. For monkey, there is a XDJMNL. Okay. For Y, there is XY -1. For that E, there is DE. K, there is a JK. Okay. For N, there is a MN. Okay. For O, there is a that NO. For M, there is a LM. Okay. Similarly, for the tiger, like for T, there is must be one ahead, that one before alphabet letter. So yes, T. For I, there's H. For G, there's a F. For E, there's a D. For R, there's a Q. So the right answer is yes, H, F, D, Q. Question number 8. If Earth can be coded as IUSBF, how can globe be coded? Option A, HMPCF. Option B, FMPCH. Option C, FPMCH. Option D, FCPMH. The right answer is option that is D, that is FCPMH. Okay, let's see the code for Earth, that is EARTH Earth. We found there is a IUSBF. Okay, for H, there is a I. For T, there is a STU. Okay, for R, there is a S. For A, there is a B. For E, there is a F. Similarly, we done the same coding pattern for that globes too. For G, there is H. For L, there must be M. For O, P, B, C, E, F. Since the coding for the letter is from that the for a head letter, there is a that coding from the backside. So the right answer for that globes must be HMPCF. Okay. Question number 9. If Bombay is coded as FSQFEC, which word could be coded as QCWSVI? Option A, MANDYA. Option B, MANDAL. Option C, Mysore. Option D, MYSOER. The right answer is the answer is, that is option C, Mysore. Okay, let's see the coding for Bombay. Then there's a B, C, D, E is gap, there is a F. Okay, O, then P, Q, R is gap, there is a S. M, N, O, P is gap, there is a Q. B, C, D, E, that three letter is gapping, and there's a code word is appeared. Similar pattern is applied for that this Mysore 2, that if we see the code, then QCWSVI. For in this case, we should minus that 3 letter, and then the another letter is that the word which code is that QCWSVI. Okay, like for Q, that NOP is that gap in ahead, so that the Q must be code for M. For C must be code for Y, and W is must be code for S. Okay, so the right answer is MYSORE, Mysore. Question number 10. If BEQUCK is coded as ZCOSAI, then the code of the last letter of third word in the sentence is like that, I love my country. Okay. Option A W, options B U, option C T, options D A. The right answer is option A, that is W. Okay. Let's see the BEQUCK. The code for BQUCK is ZCOSAI. Okay. If we see that B, then that B minus A, that is A is gap. So Z is code for B. Same pattern is applied for whole BAQC. That is a minus 2 letter will be coded for that word. Okay. So we have the sentence that is, I love my country. The third word will be my. Last letter of the third word will be Y. For that Y, the code must be two letter before the Y. That is a Y, two letter before. That is X Y W. X Y X Y W X Y. So W must be code for Y. Okay. Question number 11. If assign is coded as SASING, then kidnap is coded as option A, IKNDPA, option B, IKDNPA, option C, IKDNAP, options D, IKAPDN. The right answer is option that is B, IKDNPA. Okay. If you see that assign, the code for assign is like that assign. If we see that the SASING, all the letter which is present in case of assign word, that rearrange only to make a code. Okay. So there is no an addition letter. So we must see in this cases we see that position. Okay. Let's see that A is kept in that second position in coding. Yes kept in first position in coding, and another yes kept in third position in coding. I kept in fourth position, G kept in sixth positions, N kept in fifth position. Similarly for kidnap, if we see that that maintain the position as like of assign, then we find the word that is IKDNPA, which is the right answer, which is the code for kidnap word. Okay. Questions number 12. When decoded, OPTRRE reads as PORTTER, Potter. In the same way, what does the following read as? EROPTR. Option A, ROP. Options B, PROPER. Option C, PORT. Options D, REPORT, report. The right answer is options D, that is REPORT, report. Okay. If we see that the code like OPTRRE, then it is arranged as like OP, just change as two word letter. Okay, that is a PO, and there is a TR is changed as RT, and RE is changed as ER. So that's Porter is become. We did the same thing for that EROPTR. So RE, re, PO, and then RT. So it must be report. Okay. Uh, Question number 13. If edition is written as IDETNOI, how is medical written in that code? Okay. Option A, DEMILAC. Option B, LACIMED. Option C, DIEMCAL. Options D, CADILEM. The right answer is option that is A, that is DEMILAC. Okay. Let's see the word, the code for addition. If we see that the code for that addition word, we found that first three letter separately make a code, and then last three letters separately make a code, and that middle one kept as it is. Okay, in a code. Okay, EDI, in case of EDI, first three letter, there is a position of first and third will be exchanged. Okay, last like that I, and then E will be changes. Similar things done in case of last three letter, that is ION. NOI will be done. Okay. So we followed the same pattern for that medical too, and we got our code. Okay. MED, first three letter. So the code for MED, that is DEM. I as it is. For that code for CL, that is LAC. So the right letter must be the code for medical word is DEM LAC. Okay. DEMI LAC. Question number 14. In a certain code, DEPUTATION, deputation, is written as ONTADEPUTI. How is derivations written in that code? Option A, ONVADERITI. Option B, ONDEVARITI. Option C, ONVAEDIRTI. Options D, ONVADEIRIT. The right answer is option A, that is Onvaderiti. Okay, let's see the code for deputation. Okay, DE. That is double coding. Like DE word come as a same. That is D is first position. 2 is PU. 3 TA. 4 TI. 5 is ON. And if we see that there's a position is changed like 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. We done same in case of derivations too. So we got a right answer, that is Onvaderiti, which is the right answer, which is a code for derivations. Okay. Questions number 15. In a certain code language, substitution is written as ITSBUSNOITUT. How is distribution written in that code? Option A, IRTSIDNOITUB. Options B, IRTDINSNOITUB. Option C, IRTSIDNOIBUT. Options D, IRIDISNOIUTB. The right answer is option that is A, IRTSIDNOITUB. Okay, let's see the code for substitutions. If we see that substitutions, we found that at first the whole word is divided into equal part, like SUBSTI, fifth, 5 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 letters as a first group, and TUTION, 6 letters on a last group. Okay, and we make a code like that reverse the letter, like ITSBUS. Okay, same thing done in case of TUTION, that is NOITUT. Okay, a similar thing we done in case of distribution too. We divide the word in a two half part, that is a DISTRI, distri. So the code for distri is like IRTSID. For BUTION, butions, the code for is NOITUB. So the right answer must be IRTSIDNOITUB. Okay. Question number 16. In a certain language, PROSE is coded as PPOQE. How will light be coded? Option A, LIGFT. Options B, LGGHT. Option C, LLGFE. Options D, LGGFT. The right answer is option that is D, LGGFT. Okay, let's see the code for PROSE. Then P kept as it is. For R, there is a P. P, Q, R. Q is gap, there is a R. So O is kept as it is. For yes, there is a Q, R, yes. One letter is gapping, and that -2 position word will be code for that letter. Okay, and E as it is. Okay, similar thing we done in case of LIGST light. L kept as it is. For I, that's -2 position, that is G. For G as it is. For H, that's -2, that is F. For T as it is. So the right answer is LGGFT. Question number 17. In a certain code, RATIONAL is rational is written as RTANIOLA. How would TRIBL, tribal, be written in the same code? Option A, TIRLBA. Options B, TIRABL. Option C, TRIALB. Options D, TIRALB. The right answer is option that is A, TIRLBA. Okay, let's see the rationals coding pattern. If we found that rationals, okay, there is a that letter is divided. First 3 letter, there's a separately code. Then second 3 letters separately code, and then last 2 letters separately code. Like for RAT, there is a R same position. AT is changed like TA. Okay. ION, in case of that NIO, last letter is first, and then first letter second, second letter on last. Na? For AL, there is a LA. Okay, exchange the letters position. Similar thing is done in tribal's case, that TRI and BAL. So first that TIR, and then BAL is like as coded as like ION. So that LBA. So the right answer is TIRLBA. Okay. Questions number 18. In a certain code language, the word examples is written as EMAXSEPL. How would the word BONC be written in that language? Option A, YBANCYOU. Options B, CUOYYBAN. Option C, CUYOOYBAN. Options D, Cyouyban. The right answer is option that is a D, Cyouyban. Okay. Let's see first that write the that position for that letter, like 1E, 2X, E 3A, 4M, 5P, 6L, 7E, at 8S. So coding is like 7 4 3 2 8 1 5 6. Similar thing we done in case of B and C. Then we got the code like Cyouyban. Okay, which is the right answer. Question number 19. If momentum is coded as EMOMNTUM, then magnetic will be coded as option A, NGMAEITC, option B, NGAMECTI, option C, NGAMETIC, options D, NGMAETIC. The right answer is option C, that is NGAMETIC. Okay. If we see that momentum, that fourth letter MOME coded as like of another way, and that half four letters coded in the separate way, like N2M kept as it is like in a code like N2M. If we that MOME first four letters coded as like EMOM, just reverse way. We done same thing in case of magnetic, MAGN. So for that code for MAGN, that is NGAM, and last four letters kept as it is. So our right answer is NGAM ETIC. Okay. Question number 20. In a certain code language, surgeon is written as QLHDURV and corner is written as OHKULF. How is shadow written in that code language? Option A, DRTERS. Option B, TRADEV. Option C, UQBCFU. Options D, TFBCPX. The right answer is option B, that is TRADEV. Okay. Let's see the code for surgeon. Then it is coding as like that. Yan, that is a +2 OP. We found Q. O -2 MN. L +2 -2 +2 -2 +2 -2. Same. We done same thing in case of shadow 2. Then we get the right answer, that is ZL GXKP. Okay. Question number 21st. In a certain code language, BLAMED, blamed, is written as DOEGHP, and dissect, DISECT, is written as VLGWFH. How is POLARY polarly written in that code language? Option A, QPMBSZ. Option B, ORSBUD. Option C, DBVSRO. Option D, KNOCQZ. The right answer is option that is B, ORSBUD. Okay. Let's see the code for blame, that is DOEFHP. At first that BLA, first three letters coded in a separate way. MED is coded in a separate way. So BLA, that is a B C D E L M N O A B C D. Okay, and that's reverse. Like for B, that is a D. For L, there is must be O, and for A, there is a code is E. Hai. And same thing done in case of MED too. Okay, we done the same thing for that polarity. We code like POL first, and for P, that is a plus 3 positions letter will be code for that P. Like for P, that's a QRS will be that code for P. For O, that is PQR. L, that is MNO. So that code for that POL, that is must be reversed, that is ORS. Okay. So right answer is ORS BUD. ORS BUD. Okay. The right answer is ORS BUD. Question number 22. In a certain code, fraction is written as FNAITCUR. How is quantitative written in that code? Option A, QTNAVIATETU. Option B, QIATAETUTNVI. Option C, QTEATUIAVITITN. Options D, QEAITATITNVU. The right answer is option that is a D, that is QEAITATITNVU. Okay. Let's see the code for fraction. Then F is kept as it is. Uh, and there is a, okay, from left side first position, that is F, and then the right side first position, that is N, okay, and then again left side third position, which is A, and then right side third position, which is I, and then left side fifth position T, right side fifth position, that is C, okay, as so on, that the then left side fifth seventh position O, right side seventh position R. So in this way we done same thing in case of quantitative 2. That is a first left side first position, that is Q, right side first position E, left side third position A, right side third position I, left side fifth position T, right side fifth position A, and then again left side seventh position T, right side seventh position, that is I, and then left side that ninth position N, left side right side ninth position, that is V, same as like, okay. So the right answer is QUAITATITNVU. Question number 23. In a certain code language, approach is coded as CH O A P R A P. How will restrict be coded? Option A, CTRISTR. Option B, ERTSIRTC. Option C, CTRISTRE. Options D, TCIRSTRE. The right answer is option that is the C, CTRISTRE. Okay. Let's see that approach. AP first group, PR second group, OA third, and CH fourth. Okay, the code for that 1 2 3 4 is like 4 3 2 1. Similar thing done in case of restrict 2. We make RE first group, ST second, RI third, and ST CT fourth. That the code for that restrict, that is CTRISTRE. Question number 24. If MZQBL is decoded as N YUWO, then decode OJXMT. Okay. Option A, XZAGO. Option B, PIAGQ. Option C, QJBHS. Option D, VJBGQ. The right answer is option that is D, VJBGQ. Okay, let's see the code and decode word. Okay, MZQBL, and then the word is NYUWO. If we see that L, Yum is a gap, there is a yan, and for if B minus 2, like Y, that is the AZ. Sometimes the randomly thing will be done. So we should have seen that the code first, okay, and how it's decoding or how it's make a code pattern, and we follow the same thing in case of like that given, and we should match with that option, and either it's match or not, according to which we should go. Okay. Question number 25. In a certain code language, blamed is written as DOEGHP, and this LTS is written as VLGVWO. How is spread, SPREAD, written in that code language? Option A, URTGCF. Option B, PMNBXA. Option C, VSUHDG. Options D, VSVGDH. The right answer is option that is a D, that is VSV USV GDH. Okay. Let's see the blame code. We found that BLA is coded in a different way, and MED is coded in a different way. For BLA, that is a code is DOE. For MED, that is code is GHP. Let's see that BLA code. B, CD is gap E, this last letter. L, MN is gap O. A, BC is gap, there is a D. So reverse for that. Okay, that is a DOE will be reverse. Okay. Similarly, MED, D for that D is like DEF is gap, there's a G. For E, there's F, G is gap, there's a H. M, there is a NO is gap, there's a P, and we reverse, there's a position like GHP. Similar thing will done in case of spread 2. So the right answer is USVGDH. Sometimes we actually see that that while this coding we found a typical like position changing. Either there is a three letter, two letter, three letter is coded in different way, and then they will reverse. Okay, such type of pattern we will see in this type. Okay. Question number 26. In a certain code language, stubborn is written as VUTAAOSP. How is shipping written in that code language? Option A, TIJOOHPJ. Option B, QFOLLS yellow. Option C, TIJNNOJH. Options D, JITOOT JITOOHOJ. The right answer is option that is D, JITOOHOJ. Okay, let's see the stubborn code. STU code is different way, and then BB code in different way, and ORN code in different way. Okay, and then for STU there is a code as like T S T T U and then UV. Okay, and the reverse the positions like VUT. Okay, same like BB, like one position is backward, that's A is there's a code, and ORN there's OP RS NO, and then reverse their position. Similar thing done in case of like shipping. We got the right answer, that is JITOOHOJ. Okay. Question number 27. If knowledge is written as ONKELWEDEGD, then how can educations be written in the same code? Option A, UDETACNOI. Option B, NOITACUD. Option C, ACUDENOIT. Options D, UDENCATNOI. The right answer is option that is A, UDETACNOI. Okay, let's see the knowledge. KNO, WLE, and DGE. Three letters is coded in separately. Like for KNO, that is a ONK. For WLE, that is a ELW. For DGE, that is EGD. Similar thing done in case of educations. EDU, that is UDE. For CAT, that is a TAC. For ION, that is NOI. So the right answer is that UDETACNOI. Okay. That's much for today. Thank you, class. Another coding section we will discuss in